How to fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just get into your account and then go to any server. For example, I'm gonna search for a server, for example this one right here. So I'm gonna choose let's say for example I'm gonna choose what server. So let's say for example this one right here, and let's get in and let's wait a few seconds, and I am sure this fix is gonna help you a lot. So let's make the sound down and wait a few seconds. As you can see, now this is the server, as you can see right here. So all what you have to do is simple. To fix the drop of FPS, go to the top here, click on the logo and go to settings, and then go to the graphics mode, make it manual like this, and then click to make the graphics quality as low as possible, and then I'm gonna make the volume down and go back. Now it's fixed, as you can see. Very easy and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.